Here's the video response to my sustainability project about the Dirty Water Distilling Company. Originally, I talked about their water filtration systems and how they source their product to be fermented into the beverages they produce. So I'm just going to go a little bit more in depth into each one of those. So first, going a little bit further into their reverse osmosis, since Dirty Water Distilling gets their water from Plymouth Water Company, it's not guaranteed that that product they're using doesn't have any particulate or chemicals in it. So prior to fermenting their beverages, they use reverse osmosis as well as carbon filtration. So the reverse osmosis gets any particulate and possible bacteria out of that water that might be present, as which could affect the taste of their distilling, as well as the carbon filtration removes any chlorine that is present in the water, which allows the yeast to have a better environment to consume any of their fermentable products. Moving into how they source their products to be fermented, they get a lot of their grains locally from farmers in the area, which then gets processed through their fermentation process. And once it's used, it gets shipped to local farmers to be used as feed for pigs or gets used to compost for farms. Another cool thing that they do is every March they go to a beer festival in Boston, and starting last year they take any leftover beer that would have been just dumped down the drain and they bring it back and they distill that into special run brands of liquor that they produce. So their reverse osmosis helps not only the customer in guaranteeing the product that they're getting, it also helps the company by reducing the amount of money that it would cost them to purchase pre-distilled water from the store. Their sourcing of their product, which they actually turn into the liquor, helps the local community because it puts money back into the farms as well as recycles that grains to be used for feed for the animals. And then also when they are sourcing their beer from local companies, it gets to take that beer that would have been thrown away and uses it for a good product.